Hey guys, we are over at the Poplar Cottage and we're doing the biggest scope creep like that we've ever done probably.
Yeah, we spent the afternoon over here just talking about ideas, floor plans, layouts, what's the best way to make this space efficient and get everything in here that you'd like to have. And given that it's, you know, a 560 square foot footprint. So.
Yeah, so it all hinges on the attic. So we have been thinking we're gonna finish that out, and we talked to the city, and it's probable we can do it. So we haven't been up there yet today though, so we're gonna head up, take some measurements. I'll show it to you. Can I come up? All right, good. This is the weirdest attic ever. So this is why we think that the house was originally smaller, because there's a separate roof right here. Okay, it's hard to show how tall this is, but I am 5'7", and I am not in the peak. Let's see, the peak is still, it's about 9 feet up there, 10. Oh. Hey guys, we are back over at the Poplar house again and working on the end of demo, I think. So this is still a bathroom wall, so we're gonna take this out. It's gonna come forward into the kitchen. I'm gonna share floor plans soon, so it'll make more sense, but we're excited because after demo, you finally get to start putting stuff back together. So we're eager to get this little chapter done. All right, last thing to demo is the shower pan, right?
Yes, I gotta cut the drain line to it so we can do that.
Let's check out this access hatch to the basement. Right there.
It's a little skinny.
Yeah, basement's a real strong word. Crawl space?
Crawl space is a strong word.
Yeah, it is.
Army crawl space.
How'd you do?
Oh, got it. A little tight down there.
Okay, last little bits of demo. Garrett's in the bathroom working right now and found some interesting things in the bathroom floor. I'm gonna have him show you. So tell us about the bathroom floor.
Yeah, so the bathroom floor was really uneven, and there's this peel and stick like vinyl
This stuff.
tile that's on top of something, and we found out that it was actually peel and stick on top of tile. And so there's this ceramic tile, and then that is on top of a particle board subfloor.
Is that over here, this black?
This is all particle board here.
Oh, this stuff. Oh, yeah.
And so what has happened is that over time, water has gotten into the particle board and caused it to start moving and disintegrating. So don't use particle board as your bathroom subfloor.
But, and what's below the particle board?
Is a nice, like 3/4 inch plywood,
Okay.
which is solid.
Yeah. Hey guys, I thought it might be helpful today to take you through a walking tour of the Poplar Cottage with the new floor plan in hand. So the big changes are all happening in the kitchen and bathroom, so we're gonna go that way. The doorway into the kitchen is right here, and we're gonna move that over 24 inches to make way for a fridge and then a banquette underneath the windows right here. So let's go on in. So the kitchen is basically a galley style now. On the left side along this wall, there'll be the range with cabinets, and then on the right side here, there'll be the sink and the dishwasher. And then the bathroom is now 5 feet deep, so we're gonna make way for a tub on that end. And then the toilet and sink are still gonna be right where they are now. And so not huge changes, but way more efficient, and I think it's gonna be so cute.